If you're looking for a gaming headset on a budget, then no look further than the Fifine H9 gaming headset with the built-in microphone. When you open up the box, you will see an instruction manual, detachable microphone, USB control box, and then of course the Fifine H9 gaming headset itself. This Fifine H9 gaming headset do have either USB or 3.5mm audio, depending on what you want to connect to. If you want to use the 3.5mm headphone jack, then you can use it with any devices that has a 3.5mm headphone jack. But if you want to use USB, it only works with PlayStation, PC, and Nintendo Switch. But I'm pretty sure it'll work with the Steam machine once it comes out. From what they're claiming, they do have 7.1 audio, which is more like you can get immersed in games or videos that has the surround sound thing. This gaming headset is also pretty lightweight though. Also, the microphone is detachable and the cushions is pretty soft from what I've experienced. But with the detachable microphone, you can actually move it around depending on whether you like the microphone super close to your mouth or a little bit more further away. And the drivers itself inside the headphones is actually 50mm, but the thing is that with most headphones, I could hear whatever sound coming out of it when my sister has this headphones on her while she's playing game on her PC, or wherever she has her music or her Windows 11 sounds. I'm pretty sure that most headphones does that, but I'm just gonna say this anyways. Back to the surround sound, the whole 7.1 virtual surround sound thing. I don't think it's real, to be honest, because there's only one driver per side of the headphones. So when I tried it, it just sounds worse in my opinion, since it's not like the true system where it's kind of like your soundbar in the front and speakers in the back of your. It's not the same thing at all. Overall, my experience with these headphones is pretty damn good. Now, the clip after this one will be the test of the Fifine H9 gaming headset's microphone. This is the Fifine H9 gaming headset, and this is how it sounds since I'm using its dedicated, not really dedicated, I mean a built-in microphone that's detachable. So let me know how it sounds. Overall, my final conclusion for the H9 headphones that Fifine sent over for review. It's a pretty good headphones. It's not super bass heavy, but I mean, for the price, you cannot beat it at all. Plus, the microphone sounds pretty good as well. And there are a few complaints when it comes to the 7.1 audio, which it just sounds worse. In my opinion, like I said earlier, build quality is pretty nice, especially for like under 30 bucks, if I recall correctly. It goes on sale from time to time on Amazon, which is even nicer if you want to save money on it. So that's pretty much it for the headset. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications so you don't miss none of the videos that I'll be uploading in the future. And yeah, comment your thoughts if you like the headphones. And I do have an Amazon link in the description below, and unfortunately it's not an affiliate because Amazon just likes to just make me lose access to the stuff, even though I'm trying to make money off of my videos eventually. So yeah, peace.